Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Williams, and today we are going to be talking to you about our product, the Deja Vu, and we are Team Moo. So first we'll be recapping what our product is, and in this video we will be going through price, placement, and promotion. So to recap, the Deja Vu is like a memory simulator. You put it on and it simulates like you were back physically in a past memory of yours.
Hi, my name is Reagan and I will be discussing our pricing. Our prices will range from $800 all the way to $1,200. $800 is our lowest price and most basic headset, and it will go up from there depending on the model that you choose as well as the software. So a lot like how the iPhones work, there's a lower iPhone and a more expensive iPhone, and the software and model for each one is different. Our pricing objective is profit maximization. This is where we want to focus on our long-term profit goals instead of short-term. So we want to obtain as many sales as we can to gain the most profit. Our pricing strategy will be price skimming. The price of our product will start out high because we are the first to hit the market with this premium technology, and we want to introduce our product step by step to different layers of the market. We also want to start out with a high price with our very first model, and then gradually lower that price until a newer model is released.
My name is Steven, and I'll be talking about placement for the Deja Vu. So as we introduce the Deja Vu, we will be primarily using pop-ups at high-end retail locations that would meet our target segments. Obviously, the Deja Vu is going to be available online and directly from us throughout our introduction, growth, and maturity stages of the product. But to really get those early adopters to understand how to use a Deja Vu, we'll be providing pop-ups at popular locations such as the Grove in LA, maybe Fashion Valley in San Diego, Times Square in New York, and maybe even international such as London, Paris, or Tokyo. As we move into growth and maturity for Deja Vu, we will be placing the product in stores such as Target, Best Buy, or Microsoft, where users can actually try and experience the Deja Vu with a trial period in store and have someone coach them along with how to use it. That way people can really get their hands on it and understand the benefits of using a product like ours.
Hi, I'm Reagan Wadlick, and I will be starting off our promotion strategies. So with our $1 million budget, we will be focusing first on TV advertising. Our promotion strategy is to create brand awareness through general advertising and infomercials. We will do this by running primetime TV ads on major networks. And while this is one of the most expensive forms of advertising, we believe we'll get a high return on our investment since we need to teach consumers about our product in order to sell it. TV ads will also be good for targeting the older population in our target market, since 42% of adults who watch cable TV on a weekly basis are ages 55 and older. In addition, we will be using internet marketing, and we're going to run digital ad campaigns to reach our target consumers. To get the Deja Vu product name out there to Gen X, millennials, and baby boomers who are part of the upper middle class, mobile marketing and internet marketing is the best route because these consumers are on a desktop computer or mobile phone every single day. And finally, we're going to aim to get publicity for our product through news stories. So for television advertising, we're going to promote our product first on MSNBC because it was the most watched news channel in 2020. We are also going to begin promotion through Amazon advertising, which is still relatively new, but they can provide valuable insight on who is engaging with our advertising and work with us on what shows will provide us the most awareness with our target market because of the immense amount of data they possess. And if we begin to decide selling through third-party retailers in the future, a positive relationship with Amazon could benefit our opportunities for promotion greatly in the long term. As for internet marketing, we have to gain a mobile presence because people are always on their phone. And based on the findings from the Pew Research Center, who has been recording and researching social media usage for over a decade, we have decided to promote the Deja Vu primarily through Facebook advertisements. This will allow us to reach the age group we believe is the most inclined to.
My name is Anahita Walia, and I will be talking about our Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. Here we have an advertisement for Facebook where it says, re-experience your honeymoon, Deja Vu, relive your memories, let the good times roll on. And this would be targeting our more middle-aged to elderly demographic since it would be re-experiencing such a lovely memory that they have had before. With our Facebook ad, we will be able to specifically target our audience based on demographics such as age and location. We can run different ads to different age groups, ranging from photos of families using our products in their living room to elderly folks reliving their youth. Since we want to target affluent individuals, we can hone in on them, but vary our targeting by location in suburban versus urban or urban uptown areas. We can also dig deeper, utilizing A/B testing over and over to test against different variables to see what works best. Some of these variables can be targeting specific cities, such as LA or New York, or even going into specific details of the ad copy. And here is our Instagram ad. Today, Instagram has 800 million active users. 120 million of those users have visited a website, gotten directions, called, emailed, or direct message to learn about a business based off of an Instagram ad. According to Instagram, 60% of people say that they discover new products on the platform, and 75% of Instagrammers take action after being inspired by a post. Most of the users fall in the age range of 18 to 29, which would be 55%, and then between 30 to 49 years old, which would be 28%. The rest would be all above 50. Instagram uses Facebook's demographics data to serve up the ads to appropriate parties. This makes this tool super valuable for our brand to target our specific audience. It would basically be the same advertising for Instagram and Facebook.
So lastly, I will be talking about PR and publicity for our Deja Vu device. In PR, the goal is to establish and maintain a positive image among various publics. So while we will be getting into stores like Microsoft and Best Buy, we will allow users to try out our product, making them more likely to buy it. We will also be selling the product ourselves and hosting special events such as trade shows to sell more of our devices. In the long run, we also hope to get positive publicity that is not paid for, such as in news stories, editorials, or tech magazines like this one on the screen. The advantage of this is that it will build high credibility among new customers without having to. Thank you so much for watching our presentation, and remember to let the good times roll.